almost the end of our Lofoten trip and the Norway trip, and honestly, what even is a trip to Lofoten if there is no hike involved, right? We made an impromptu plan the night before to hike up to this waterfall we spotted the previous day, which you will see in the previous video. There wasn't a proper guide as such, but we tried to find a way. Of course, I got distracted right at the start of the drive. Spotted a couple of photographers and even more surfers today. It looked as if they were trying to get a perfect picture for a magazine or a documentary. We stood there for a while, just watching them ride wave after wave, and thought, yep, surfing is definitely going to be on my bucket list now. I know there are a few clubs along Karnataka coastline that offer surfing lessons. Maybe I'll give it a shot the next time I'm home. We parked our car at this point after we crossed Mr. White, who is unofficially guarding this area. After a few meters, we crossed this small bridge over a waterfall, and if you follow the pipes along a narrow path, you will soon run into Mr. Black, the second guardian. Totally chill guy. Gave us a look and kinda nodded like, yeah, you're doing good. Keep going. A bit of rocky climb, and we made it to a gorgeous spot. Where waterfall splits into two streams. Honestly, past this point, the trail kinda looks sketchy and the weather wasn't helping either. I so wished I had a drone because just few meters further was a lake. A whole lake on top of a mountain. Since rain was on the way, we decided to head back. If you're curious about the hike, about the trail, the link is in the description below. With no signs of rain stopping anytime soon, we took it as a sign to catch up on some much needed rest and sleep for the next day.